Shenzhen Yelangu Technology Company Limited, established in 2006, is a professional company engaged in the research, development, sale and service of camera stabilizer, camera slider, shoulder rig, video light, video microphone, camera cage, camera jib. Yelangu means the Wild Wolf Valley. The icon of the eye representing focus. The wolf focuses on hunting. We focus on developing video equipment, and you focus on film and video production. We are dedicated to strict quality control and clear customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. Our product selling well in all cities and provinces around China, and also exported to clients in such countries and regions as Europe and America. In recent years, our Chongqing factory, Chongqing Qingchengxing Technology Company Limited, has introduced a series of advanced equipment, including modern advanced metal and plastic mold manufacturing equipment, high-precision punching machine, high-precision CNC lathe and CNC machining center, high-precision metal CNC machining equipment, vertical, horizontal injection molding machine, new mobility assembly production line, and advanced performance testing equipment. The Shenzhen office and Chongqing production workshop total more than 6,000 square meters. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders, or selecting a current product from our catalog, or seeking engineering assistance for your application. You can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements.